everyone, welcome to my channel which is Complemental Economics, and please don't forget to subscribe if you're really liking my videos. So in today's class I left one of the question from the 4th chapter, Microeconomics. The question is, it is one of the practical oriented question and this is for 6 mark. You have to solve this problem. So what they have given in the question is, so you have Q, you have SMC which is short-run marginal cost, which is quantity, and short-run marginal cost you have. So when you have short-run marginal cost and quantity, they are going to give you quantity and they are going to give you SMC, which is short-run marginal cost, and they are going to give you the TFC. In the question, they are going to ask you, you have a quantity like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you have SMC, which is short-run marginal cost. Sorry, this is the 3rd chapter, not the 4th chapter. SMC, which is short-run marginal cost. You have 500, 300, 200, 300, 500 and the 800. In this case, you have to find out TVC, TC, AVC and SAC. These are all the concepts you have to find out. So I'll tell you how you're going to find out with the help of SMC and TFC and quantity, how you're going to find out these all stuff. First of all, with the help of SMC, we're going to find out TC. If you're going to find out TC, then TVC will be easier one because you already have the TFC. So let's see now. How are you going to find out the TC? To find out the TC, the formula is TFC plus TVC. In this case, TFC you have 100. To calculate the TVC, you do not know anything about the TVC here. So how are you going to find out the TC? The best logic thing is, when quantity is 0, the TVC always remains at 0. That is quite logical, and my previous videos of the 3rd chapter also, when to find out the cost, short-run cost, I'm already done with. When the quantity is 0, and the TVC will remain at 0 only. If you want to really understand why TVC is constant, TVC is 0 only when the quantity is 0. So please do watch my short-run cost topic which I have discussed previous. And the quantity is 0, so TVC will be 0. In this case, TFC is 100, which already the question only they have given, like TFC is 100. TFC is 100, TVC is 0. In this case, TC is definitely 100. So then, TFC, here you have 100. So you do not have anything here, so that's the reason why you wanted this. So now, for finding TC, it will be easy. So as of now, I'll tell you. So you do not have anything to add here. So it is the same. So now you have 100. 100 plus 500. That will be 600. To find out TC, now the easiest one is keep adding the SMC. The first one you do not have anything, that's the reason why finding the first number, to find the first number you need TFC and TVC. Otherwise after that you have all the other numbers, so with the help of this you can find out the TC. So now you do not have anything, TFC is 100, so it is 100. 100 plus 500, it is 600. 600 plus 300, 900. 900 plus 200, 1100. 1100 plus 300, 1400. 1400 plus 500, 1900. 1900 plus 800, it is 2700. So this is the way how with the help of SMC also you can find out TC. So now you have got the TC. So now it is the time to find out TVC. So now you are already aware of the first number. The first number is 0 because the quantity is 0. So I've already found it these all time because I don't want it to take much time by calculating this. So I'll find out the one variable in each, so where you will understand better. So in this, how are you going to find out the TVC in the next one? To find out TVC, the formula is TC minus TFC. That find out TVC, the formula is TC minus TFC. So you have TFC here, which is 100. TC you have, which is 600. TC is 600. TFC is 100. 600 minus 100, it will be 500. The same way, keep calculating now. 900 minus 100, 800, 1100 minus 100, 1000, 1400 minus 100, 1300, 1900 minus 100, 1800, 2700 minus 100 to 2600. So, now you got to know how to find out TVC also. So then, you calculate these both, you should get this. 100 plus 500, so it is 100 plus 0, 100, 100 plus 500, 600, 100 plus 800, 900, 100 plus 1000, 1100, 100 plus 1300, 1400, 100 plus 1800, 1900, 100 plus 2600, 2700. So this way TFC plus TVC, by adding these two, we'll get TC also. So after that, the next thing what you have to find out, that is ABC, average variable cost. So how are you going to find out average variable cost? To find the average variable cost, you are already aware of the formula, because the same short run cost I'm already done with 2 to 3 times now. So TVC divided by Q, total variable cost divided by Q. So why, how, what, to know this, please watch my previous video. It's just I'm solving, this is only one problem you have to solve for the 6 months, the easiest one. So I'm directly solving. If you want to know what is the meaning and these also, please watch my previous videos of it. Of a third chapter. ABC, to find out ABC, you have a formula TVC divided by Q. In this case, the first one, TVC is 0. 0 by 0, it is nothing, so it is a dash. So then, here TVC, 500, which is TVC, TVC is 500, divided by Q, which is 1, 500 by 1, it will be 500 only. Then 800 by 2, it is 400. 1000 by 3, 333.33. 1300 by 4, 325. 1800 by 5, 360. 2600 divided by 6, it is 433.33. So now after that, you have to find out SAC, short run average cost. To find out short run average cost, the formula is TC by Q. Here is the TC and here is the quantity. 100 by 0, it's nothing, so I have kept the dash. So then TC is 600. 600 by 1, it is again a 600. Then 900 by 2, it is 450. 1100 divided by 3, it is 366.67. 1400 divided by 4, which is 35. 355, I guess. So yeah, I have made something wrong here, number. So please do calculate that. So it should be like 1400 divided by 4. Please do the calculation. It is wrong number which I have written here. So then 360 divided by 5. 1900 divided by 5. 2700 divided by 6. That is 450. So this is the way how you are going to get the numbers, how you are going to find out SAC. This is one of the 6-mark question, as I told you previously. So please do, it's more than theoretical question. If you attempt these kind of a question, it is easy to score. So it is quite complicated to understand. Once you practice, this is one of the easiest one to score the 6-mark. Within 5 minutes you can calculate and give the, you can get all 6 mark. So thank you so much. I'll meet you guys with the next video.